What's up guys, it's Grayson here. Welcome back to another video. And today we're taking the kayak out, obviously, as you guys can see. But we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're just going to be fishing all over for pretty much all kinds of fish. I'm going to be flipping some deep brush and throwing some crankbaits on some rocks, and then throwing a curly tail grub out on a point, just trying to catch some sand bass, whatever wants to bite. So I hope you guys stay tuned and leave me a like and comment and enjoy the video. Alright guys, so I thought I was gonna unload at my usual spot, but as you guys can see here, for entry, please contact security. Please leave all complaints, contentions, and unclean spirits in the bucket. Well, I'm about to leave my fish in the bucket here in a minute, so hope you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna have to go to a different spot. Well, now that happened, I'm gonna just change my plans. There's not much else for me to go in a kayak because I can't paddle all over the lake. So I'm just gonna go fish some rocks, I guess, and then try to flip a couple stops. But there's a ton of people here. I mean, a ton of people, so I guess I'll just have to deal with the conditions and do what I can do. So I hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video. Something just got eaten over there. Oh, something. Wow. He's actually decent size. Oh my gosh. A catfish on a crankbait all the way out here off the rocks. Wow. That is a very big surprise, honestly. That is, wow. I was not expecting that at all. That is actually crazy. Gotta be careful when you're grabbing these catfish, because they will poke you, and I mean poke you, and they'll bite your thumb too if you want to grab them that way. But I sometimes grab them that way. Come on, catfish. I got him. All right, guys, catfish on a crankbait. Uh-oh, something else. A sand bass. Like I said in the previous video, guys, you have to be so careful with sand bass, especially with treble hooks. I don't mess with getting a hook in yourself. That would really suck. And also, I'll be making a review video on my top lures that I like using. If you guys want to stay tuned for that. That's 2 species. These cars like to slow down and watch me fish. Little bass. GoPro self-recording.